Have you ever felt overwhelmed by your finances? No matter how much you earn, money just seems to disappear? You're not alone. In fact, over 60% of people live paycheck to paycheck, struggling to manage their expenses. But what if I told you that learning a few simple financial skills could change your life forever? Welcome to Smart Money, Master Personal Finance and Beginner Investing. This course is designed to help you take control of your money, build wealth, and create financial freedom, no matter where you're starting from. Financial literacy is the ability to understand and manage your personal finances, including budgeting, saving, investing, and debt management. But here's the thing, most schools don't teach us how to manage money. Yet, we're expected to make big financial decisions like taking out loans, buying a house, and saving for retirement. If we don't have the right knowledge, we can easily fall into financial traps. There are 3 key reasons why financial literacy is so important. First, it helps you avoid financial mistakes. Many people fall into debt because they don't understand how loans and interest work. Without a budget, it's easy to overspend and live beyond your means. Second, it allows you to build wealth and security. Knowing how to invest wisely can help you grow your money over time. Having an emergency fund can prevent financial stress when unexpected expenses arise. And third, it gives you financial freedom. Imagine not having to worry about money because you've built a strong financial foundation. Financial literacy gives you choices, whether it's buying a home, traveling, or retiring early. Now, let's go over some of the most common financial mistakes that people make. Spending more than you earn. Living paycheck to paycheck with no savings. Not having a budget. Not tracking income and expenses leads to poor money management. Ignoring debt. Letting interest accumulate and make repayment harder. Not investing early. Losing out on compound interest and wealth-building opportunities. By understanding these mistakes, you can take steps to avoid them and set yourself up for financial success. Now, I want you to take a quick action step. Grab a notebook or use the worksheet provided and write down your biggest financial challenge right now. It could be saving money, managing debt, or investing. This will help you set a clear goal as we move forward in the course. Great job on completing Lesson 1. In the next lesson, we'll talk about how to set realistic financial goals and create a plan to achieve them. Make sure to download the worksheet below, and I'll see you in the next lesson.